6 in 10 Americans say they need to be better about financial planning, but fewer than 40% use a professional advisor to do so, according to a study by Northwestern Mutual. Advisors can help create and implement a personalized plan for people's individual financial goals, but deciding who will manage your money can be a daunting decision. So what should you consider when looking for your match? Alex Choi is the CEO of FinanceHQ. The site matches investors with the right financial advisor for their needs. So Alex, thanks for joining us today. So let's talk about, I feel like we're talking about kind of like a dating app, if you will. What should people be thinking about when they're looking for a financial advisor?
Yeah, no, thanks for having me. So there's a long number of questions that you should really highlight when you are going into that first discovery call. And we actually have a list of those on our site. But you want to make sure that they're picking and choosing the right ETFs and portfolios, your investment strategy. One of the most important questions to ask is, are you a fiduciary? Are you morally and legally obligated to put my best interest first? And I think this is more of an obvious question, but what's the fee structure like? Am I going to be able to afford this particular service?
And Alex, I know you work with financial advisors, so you're a little bit biased with this question, but does it always make sense to have a financial advisor? And I guess when more specifically should people start thinking about hiring their financial advisor if that is the right route for them?
Yeah, no, it's a great question. And I genuinely believe that every single American out there can benefit from the services of a financial advisor. I mean, you might be straight out of college and have amassed a mountain of debt. And you're looking to kind of start saving and you're not sure exactly what to do, a financial advisor can create a financial plan for you and help you start chipping away at that, start saving up for things, and really create like a goal-based plan.
But what's the, case for a traditional financial advisor when we live in a world now, we saw the rise of robo-advisors and now the proliferation of AI and generative AI and what it can do in a variety of fields, including financial advising. What's the case for a typical traditional human advisor versus a robo-advisor or some form of AI?
Yeah, no, I think that there's, Betterment, Wealthfront, those robo-advisors, digital advisors, they're excellent platforms for a certain demographic. The way I always kind of looked at it is, it's like going to the gym, right? You can go and you can get your reps in, you can work out, you can get stronger, faster, healthier on your own. But if you have a specific goal in mind, you want to kind of achieve a certain milestone, you use a personal trainer to kind of achieve those goals. And that's what a financial advisor can really do.
Talk to us a little bit more about fees and minimums, right? It's one of the first things that maybe you should ask just in terms, or at least have a better understanding of when you're hiring that financial advisor. How does it work and what's that top thing that people need to keep in mind?
Yeah, I mean, I think one of the things that you really want to ask is, are you a fee-only advisor? Are you getting commissions on anything that you're selling or kind of trading on? And you really want to make sure that they have, again, your best interest in mind. What's the fee structure? And am I going to be able to afford this on a monthly or quarterly basis?
Does the CFP mark matter now?
It does. We genuinely, we actually work with almost only CFPs. And we want to make sure that they've created a good financial plan for these individuals. Again, when you have that CFP designation, it also means that you are a fiduciary, so you are putting their best interests at first.
What do you see just in terms of the interest on your site? We're talking about the fact that we're in an economic slowdown. A lot of people are worried just about what exactly their budgets look like. Are more people turning to financial advisors right now?
Absolutely. We're seeing more people than ever come to us now, especially in this economic uncertainty. It's exactly when people start looking around for guidance and help.
It's important to best understand, obviously, your own financials. Well, Alex Choi, great to have you here, CEO of FinanceHQ. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Alex.
Thank you.